Oh, it's recording already. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, guys, we playing Scratch Platformer and Scratch Platformer 1 on Scratch, all made by me. And this is the full game, so we're gonna get right into the video. So let's start this thing. Don't blame me if it's laggy. Yes, got it. Got it. Wait, I don't remember adding that part. That should be all blocked off. I'll have to check the script of that. Is there a new update? Let's do this. Get up. Okay. Okay, so what? Oh, hell. Just work. Oh! It's so laggy when I record. Oh. Finally! Oh.